Welcome to the Typeroom Professional Content Management System. In this screencast, we'll give you a high-level description of how the Typeroom Pro CMS works and show some of the core features of the system. Here's the basic idea. You direct Typeroom to your website. Typeroom makes an editable copy of your site. You're then taken through a short point-and-click process where you select what you want to edit. This usually takes only a few minutes and does not require any programming. Once set up, you can freely add pages, make changes, and manage your website using Typeroom. When you're ready to make changes live, you then publish them back to your live web server, and your website is updated. Typeroom Professional requires no software downloads, manual installations, or even any programming knowledge since it takes care of everything behind the scenes. We'll talk about the automated setup aspect of Typeroom in a later screencast. For now, we'd like to give you a brief tour of the Typeroom Pro CMS itself. Our philosophy for the design of Typeroom is that there are no separate admin interfaces, but your website itself is the admin interface to edit your site. A website that's using Typeroom should look about 95% the same as the original live website, except for a few minor changes. The general concept is that whatever is orange is editable. A solid line indicates text or other content that you can edit. A dashed line indicates a menu. Each has different controls and functionality. We'll start with editing text. Clicking on the Edit tab brings up the editor. This is similar to a normal word processor, but as you can see, there are some differences in how the text is displayed. We'll go into more detail on the full benefits of this editor on the Typeroom website. The basic idea is that in the bottom panel, you can see exactly what the editor is doing and the structure that it's creating for your web page. In the top panel, you can see what the actual output of your changes will look like in real time. Using this method, what you see is exactly what you get. Adding images to your text is easy. We'll open the Images panel and upload some images. To insert an image, simply drag and drop. As you can see, it's updated in real time. Want to change the alignment? No problem. This building block method of managing special items in Typeroom appears as a common theme throughout the system. More will be discussed on this later. Menus are usually the most problematic and confusing area of a CMS. In Typeroom, menus are simplified. Mousing over the menu gives two options, add and reorder. Let's try adding a page. When adding a page, Typeroom takes you to the page that you just added. From there, you can click Edit and begin editing content as usual. If you want to reorder a menu, simply click the Reorder button, drag, and drop. Managing menus using this dashed border interface is actually optional in Typeroom and requires that the menus in your website are programmed using unordered lists. For more information, read our documentation on this. We hope you enjoyed this introductory screencast of the Typeroom Professional Content Management System. We have quite a few more exciting features planned and hope you'll stay tuned. Please visit our blog for the most up-to-date information on our progress.